Sagittarius 2021 around family. The Sagittarian in the family may routinely prepare a holiday dinner each year filled with tradition, but will then go off the radar unexpectedly for a lingering period of time. Yes, you are a fixture in your family, relied upon to host an elaborate gathering or holiday celebration annually, but you have a love adventure that sends you off to travel and explore fairly frequently. And as long as you are able, that's your choice. You won't be tied down, even if your mother tearfully pleads with you not to miss her favorite cousin's wedding. If you have something else in mind, that's where you're planning on going. This year, there may be a fair amount of travel. Most of it, though, will probably be brief local trips or long weekends on the road exploring new terrain. Your penchant for taking off can be hard to reconcile at times with other family members who expect you to conform more to certain standards. This can hurt some relationships, but those who simply accept you are first and foremost a lively and fun companion. Your friendships are much the same. You are quite the social butterfly when you want to be, but then you might not make an appearance for a while. You have a wide variety of friends.